Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. We are still in Ghana, and today I'm taking you to Sunyani Zongo to make Tubani. Come with me and let's go and make this delicious meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together.
Opportunity, the ingredients be na be Tubaani na maye.
Meya beans, meya nwa, jeni, makosam, ena kan media bunfu, ena kokunte kakra.
Okay.
Ena mahaban.
Yeah.
Na menchene so me de bunfu.
All right.
Kakra.
Okay. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be needing for the Tubaani. Tumbani purchase sadan we do so
ye beans ni beko mekanika akwanyam akwanyamba ni abeshe Tubani na
okay, all right. So guys, let's go and boil the beans.
I can see
yes.
So say makwanyama ba ni nsuo ena kan ena kokonte ena nchene kakra with the begum na mabo the boma na atu.
So guys, when she was adding the ingredients like the water, the can water and the salt, we had someone with our camera, so the camera couldn't film it. But after she added everything and started mixing, this is how it looks. So this is our Tubaani in process. And all missing the camera. So guys, this is the mixture of the beans, coconut, salt, and the cow and water. And so this Tubaani is also beans pudding, guys. So you see the end product. It's just in a real crown. So the say shaman. And the beans is also healthy, so you can also make it in the comfort of your home. Why? So guys, it's not a small job, just a nagro. It's so smooth. That's a journey, another regional journey. Wow.
Okay, now
all right, let's just say oh, good. Okay.
So na machichere e dia kusija so.
Wow.
So na ya chichere ya akoya nyinyi na ya bachichere se ya dia kusija no so.
I have that duty and now grow.
When are they? Subani no kwala pepa. Unsa ye kwala. As around there
That is a journey. It's actually children's for journey and collect journey. A journey of crap. It's where you crap and craving no be a radio about some patron try back. Guys, we are also going to try. That's what Misa said. Misa do the same. Misa okay.
Wait a minute.
That's your sister. Tubaani no so habani e no ya dro. Ya dro pa, ya dro. Wow. So guys, it's also a kind of form of medicine if you use the leaf to cook the Tubani. It's a pan that would be any day. If you have a band.
Is this all you want?
You're teaching me, you know.
Guys, we are going to enjoy this because I remember the first time I ate this one was at Nima. It was so delicious, but making it, seeing them making it this one, it's also another level. Mom just said, and this we all know is very, very healthy. And so beer is so much for you to try. And so they have it. Sister Patrona, I don't know me fire with my son. I didn't show
Sana city ya di guma sana ya di so ni de guma etimi na
okay
odi nsuo ni sisu na ewura
ya
na odi agu
okay so guys, we don't cook it like we cook kenke. You first have to cook your boil the water na pacha haban na kura we so
eno na me di betu
okay
Asana me de Tubani no.
Okay, so now they're preventing it from burning. Okay, so the least is going to prevent it from sticking on the bottom of the pan. It's when they're preventing it from sticking at the pan. Wow, I'm 5. You know, do you need stop at just by using so many kids to the other in here.
But Tubani and friends we can say.
Okay. Something is steam, so that just to steam it. Okay, so you don't need too much water, just a little water to steam it. So guys, it's time for us to arrange our Tubaani in the pan. And one is showing Okay, perfect. So go ahead and cover it up again with small leaves, guys.
And one on the kataso.
Okay. It's my this is an hour
1 hour time.
Okay.
But you know how the Bible check
Okay. So it takes 1 hour for the Tubaani to cook, but she also time to time she will always check on it to see if it's doing good. Yeah. I mean, last time we did Tubaani, they know. I will be doing all my children because something will be so. It's a movie, a baby, and I said, baby, be still an inquiry, a baby. Okay. That's just a no one will do. Okay, perfect. So, guys, today is a national holiday in Ghana. So, the children are at home. That's why you can see a lot of children around. They didn't go to school today. Today, they holiday, they enjoy. And at Tubaani is also it's a crowd, so you're very beauty.
You journey at the Bay, it's Tubaani, and a young woman.
Sister Patrick, Tubaani, and you're going to do that, and I did a run, and did the pioneer.
But you did that. Because mood.
Wow, so what she's saying is that Tubaani is very heavy. So it's a food that you cannot even eat it as dinner or lunch. But we can also say breakfast. Today, open the door to me. But when they need the pioneer, because I said, this is not in the mood to pa. And today, we are now quite
many of female cat is salmon. And Yadimoko, Capra, the frank cat is salmon.
So, guys, this is a peanut powder. So, she's going to add the pepper powder to it, guys. Yeah. And some salt. Salt is always to your taste, guys. Guys, we are checking on our Tumbani to see how it's doing. Whoa! Our Tumbani is doing. It's so solid. Look, very, very solid, guys. Let's go and check on our Tubaani. So guys, she's going to see if it's okay, if it's fully cooked. Look. Wow. So guys, our Tubaani is ready. Are you ready? Wow, look. Look at me, look at that treasure. I love it. Because when you this is a belly, that's your sear. You be you are too at your monarch. Okay. I feel like you know the baby. So guys, now we are going to remove everything and then we prepare our oil and the onions and everything. Let's just say we're not to see a baby out, no. It's so hot, guys. Look at this. Hey, what are you? Look at this. Hi, Daddy. So we go ahead and add our onions to the oil. Mama Jenna, you have chimana black. Okay, all right. So guys, our oil is ready. So we are going to dig in and serve. Look at this, guys. Our Tubaani is ready. Our steamed beans pudding, guys. Look at this. And wow. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. So guys, we are serving. Look. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Guys, look at this. Look at this. It looks so delicious. Guys, our food is ready. You are invited, but it's rather unfortunate you cannot come and eat with us. Thank you so much for coming with us to make this delicious, healthy Tubaani or steamed beans. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Steve, Angela, KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you, sister. You're new shop. So I say, thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye from Sunyani Zongo. Bye bye from Ghana. Bye.